Have you ever felt like there's something more to life? Something beyond the daily grind and the routine that's urging you to explore a deeper part of yourself? You're not alone. Many people around the world have sensed this inner calling, a whisper from within to seek a greater understanding of their place in the universe. This is the beginning of what many call a spiritual awakening, a profound shift in consciousness that opens up new perspectives and insights. It's a journey that can provide immense meaning, peace, and clarity in your life. So, what exactly is a spiritual awakening, and how can you begin this incredible process? Let's start with a basic understanding. A spiritual awakening is an internal realization, a moment when one becomes aware of a deeper sense of existence beyond the physical and material. It's like waking up from a long slumber and seeing the world with fresh eyes, perceiving it in ways that are rich and profound. This awakening often brings with it a sense of interconnectivity with all living beings and a felt understanding of higher truths. It isn't about joining a new religion or adopting a particular belief system. Rather, it's about tapping into a more expansive sense of self and the universe. One of the first steps to a spiritual awakening is recognizing the mind's power. Our thoughts shape our reality, influencing how we perceive the world and respond to life's challenges. By becoming more mindful of our thoughts, we can start to shift our perspective from one of limitation to one of possibility. This mindfulness can be cultivated through practices such as meditation, which helps quiet the mind and allows us to connect with our inner self. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. Simply sitting in a quiet space, focusing on your breath, and allowing thoughts to pass without judgment can be incredibly grounding. Another essential aspect of spiritual awakening is the practice of self-reflection. Taking time to look inward and understand your true desires, fears, and motivations can reveal deep insights. This self-inquiry can be facilitated through journaling, where you write down your thoughts and feelings regularly. By putting pen to paper, you can uncover patterns in your thinking and behavior that may be holding you back from experiencing a more profound sense of peace and fulfillment. This process of self-discovery is ongoing and requires patience and compassion for oneself. Connecting with nature is another powerful way to foster spiritual awakening. Nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us of the beauty and complexity of life. Spending time outdoors, whether it's walking in a park, hiking in the mountains, or simply sitting by the ocean, can help you feel more connected to the world around you and the larger web of life. Nature teaches us about the cycles of life and death, growth and decay, and the interconnectedness of all things. It's a gentle yet profound reminder of the spiritual truths that underpin our existence. Gratitude is a potent tool for spiritual growth. Focusing on what you are thankful for shifts your attention from what you lack to the abundance that already exists in your life. This shift in perspective can open your heart and mind to the deeper spiritual dimensions of your experience. Practicing gratitude can be as simple as keeping a daily gratitude journal, where you write down a few things you're thankful for each day. Over time, this practice can help you cultivate a more positive outlook and a deeper appreciation for the present moment. Forgiveness is another crucial element of spiritual awakening. Holding on to anger, resentment, or grudges can weigh heavily on your spirit, blocking your ability to experience true peace and happiness. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning harmful behavior, but it does mean letting go of the emotional burden it creates. This process can be challenging, but incredibly liberating. When you forgive, you free yourself from the chains of past hurt and open the door to healing and reconciliation. Forgiving yourself is also essential, as we often carry guilt and shame that hinder our spiritual growth. Living in the present moment is a cornerstone of spiritual practice. Our minds often dwell on the past or worry about the future, pulling us away from the richness of the now. By learning to be fully present, you can experience life more deeply and authentically. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and conscious breathing, can help you develop this ability. When you focus on the present moment, you become more aware of the beauty and wonder that exists all around you, fostering a sense of gratitude and inner peace. Helping others and being of service is another powerful way to deepen your spiritual practice. Acts of kindness and compassion not only benefit those you help, but also nourish your own spirit. Service can take many forms, from volunteering in your community to simply offering a listening ear to someone in need. These acts of selflessness remind us of our interconnectedness and the importance of love and compassion in our lives. When we give from the heart, we align ourselves with the higher principles of our existence and foster a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Embracing change is an integral part of spiritual awakening. Life is constantly changing, and our ability to adapt and grow with these changes is crucial for our spiritual development. Instead of resisting change, try to see it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Each experience, whether positive or negative, carries valuable lessons that can help you evolve and expand your consciousness. By adopting a mindset of curiosity and openness, you can navigate the uncertainties of life with grace and resilience. Spiritual awakening also involves recognizing the importance of love in its many forms. Love is the highest vibration and the most powerful force in the universe. Cultivating love for yourself, others, and all living beings can transform your life in profound ways. This love is not limited to romantic relationships, but extends to compassion, kindness, and empathy for all. When you operate from a place of love, you align yourself with the essence of your true nature and the divine. Seeking wisdom from various spiritual traditions can also enhance your understanding and support your awakening process. The world's spiritual traditions offer a wealth of knowledge and practices that can guide you on your path. Whether it's the teachings of Buddhism, the mysticism of Sufism, the philosophy of Stoicism, or the wisdom of indigenous cultures, exploring these traditions can provide valuable insights and tools for your spiritual journey. Remember, it's not about adopting a single belief system, but rather integrating the wisdom that resonates with your inner truth. Connecting with a community of like-minded individuals can provide support and encouragement as you navigate your spiritual path. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can create a sense of belonging and mutual support. Whether it's joining a meditation group, participating in spiritual retreats, or engaging in online forums, finding a community that shares your values and interests can be incredibly enriching. This sense of connection can help you stay motivated and inspired as you continue to explore the deeper aspects of yourself and the universe. Maintaining a sense of humility is essential in the process of spiritual awakening. Recognize that this path is a lifelong journey, and there will always be more to learn and discover. Stay open to new insights and experiences, and be willing to question your assumptions and beliefs. Humility allows you to approach your spiritual practice with an open heart and mind, fostering a deeper connection with your true self and the divine. Balancing your spiritual practice with the demands of everyday life is crucial for sustainable growth. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment and neglect other important aspects of your life. Remember that true spirituality is about integrating higher awareness into all areas of your life, including your relationships, work, and daily routines. Strive to find harmony between your spiritual aspirations and your worldly responsibilities, allowing your spiritual practice to enhance and enrich your everyday experiences. Listening to your intuition is a vital part of spiritual awakening. Your intuition is your inner guidance system, a direct line to your higher self and the divine. Trusting your intuition can lead you to deeper insights and more aligned choices. Pay attention to the subtle nudges and feelings that arise within you and allow them to guide your actions and decisions. As you develop this inner trust, you'll find that your intuition becomes a powerful ally on your spiritual path. Finally, remember that spiritual awakening is a deeply personal and unique experience. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and your path will be distinct from anyone else's. Trust yourself and honor your individual process. Be gentle and patient with yourself as you navigate this profound transformation. Celebrate your progress and embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth. By staying committed to your spiritual practice and remaining open to the mysteries of life, you'll continue to evolve and expand your consciousness, uncovering the boundless potential that lies within you. The journey of spiritual awakening is an ongoing process of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. It invites you to explore the deeper aspects of your being, cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment, and connect with the greater web of life. By practicing mindfulness, self-reflection, gratitude, forgiveness, and love, and by seeking wisdom, community, and balance, you can navigate this path with grace and resilience. Trust in the process, listen to your intuition, and honor your unique journey. The more you embrace this awakening, the more you'll uncover the profound beauty and potential that life has to offer.